In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I style my fro. If you're interested in seeing that, please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As always, I'm doing fantastic and I'm super excited to be back to share another video with you. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I style my hair. As you know, I'm on this natural hair journey and I've been loving it. So I've done my face and the next step is for me to actually do my hair. This is my routine. I always do my makeup first, but the previous night I prep my hair so it's easier to manage for me, and I'm going to be showing you how I do that. So also, if you love this headband I'm wearing, I got it from Zara. It's very colorful and it's really handy. So what I did last night, I actually put my hair into 4 bits. I parted it into 4 different sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. So every time I put my hair like this, in this kind of knot, it makes my hair stretch, so it's easier to manage. And I have to say also, my hair has grown very much. I'm actually using this leave-in conditioner by a brand called Woman to Woman Naturals. These 3 products were PR samples sent to me last year, and I'm going to take off the knots, okay? So I will be as gentle as possible. I also discovered that styling my hair, I have to have it wet. Look at my hair. My hair has actually grown. It has really grown. I'm really quite pleased. I'm surprised it has grown this much, and I'm so delighted. So I'm going to wet it a little bit more. Make sure that it is very wet. All I'm doing is just to wet it to kind of put that leave-in conditioner on there. So the next step is for me to grab my big wide tooth comb, and I'm going to massage it gently. Massage it, and there's no need for detangling because I've actually done all of that last night before I put it into that little knot. So I'm going to start combing from the tip. As you can see, my comb is running through so easily. Look at that. And my hair is not shedding. Look at that. My hair is not shedding in any way or form. So it's easy to comb, and my hair has grown so much. So I'm going to repeat the same step for the other one. I'm using my hand to support it. I'll be as gentle as possible. As you can see, look at how easy my hair is being combed, and it's not falling off or shedding. And also, I don't need to use any kind of stretching comb. That's why I put it in this kind of knot when I'm going to bed in the night. And I also have my silk scarf that I use to actually put my hair together when I'm going to bed. The back is all done. Look at how easy it is for me to comb. So I'm going to get that leave-in conditioner again, spray it as much as I can, then massage it. Honestly, just like anything in life, everything gets easier. The more you do it, the better you will be at it. I won't be surprised if in the future I'm teaching people how to grow natural hair. So this is it here, just like I did the other one. Start combing gently from the tip down. From the tip down. So look at how easy it is to manage, how easy it is to comb. Look, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous it looks, and it's not falling off. When I'm doing the final stage of styling, I like to use this other comb. Finally, I'm going to do this side. You know, I've already wetted just like the other one. Now that I've found my mojo for styling my hair, you guys are in for it, because I'm going to be showing you a lot of the things that I do. So this is my hair now. So I can actually run this comb all the way to the back, but I don't like to be stressing my hair. Look at my hair. My hair can actually grow. And I have to give credit to my husband. He just tells me, honey, you can do it. You can do it. And he's so right. So I was just very frustrated. I was impatient as well. Those 2 things can be your enemy when it comes to growing out your natural hair. Look, shape it. Once I finish, I just comb it like that. Comb it all the way up. all the way up. Then I actually make the front bigger, and the side I'm going to actually shape it in such a way that it frames my face very nicely. It's almost like I push this side to the back a little bit. Alright, I push this side also a little bit. Every time I take off my braids or anything, protective styling, this is exactly what I do. Alright, so let me go and change because I am going to go out now. I've gone ahead to change my outfit and I'll be heading out right now. So I just want to say thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please feel free to share with your friends and family. It's all free. You can catch up with me on all my social media platforms. I'm on Facebook at Mojin Touch. I'm on Instagram at Mojin Touch. I'm also on Twitter at Mojin Touch. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. I love you so very much for watching. I'll speak to you soon on my next video. God bless and goodbye.